Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate my T-Mobile SIM card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type tmobile.com. This will land you on the official website of T-Mobile where you are going to see this My Account section in the top right hand corner. So you need to click on My Account and then you need to click on Login. Once you do this, you will be redirected on the login page where you need to provide your email address or your username or your phone number and your password, and then you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to select the line that you want to activate your SIM card on. Afterwards, you need to either select the SIM card option or the eSIM option. Once done, you need to follow further on-screen instructions until you are asked to provide your ICICI ID or your EID number. Once you have completed this process, you can use your phone to call and text within the boundaries of your T-Mobile phone plan. Your phone number and your contacts will be attached to your device and will be ready to use. Now this way you will be able to activate your SIM card through T-Mobile, but still if you are facing any problem in the activation, then you can directly contact to the T-Mobile customer support team. For that, on this page you need to hover over to contact and support, and here you are going to see their toll-free number, which is 1800. For more details, you will have to click on this help and support section and then you will be redirected on this customer service page. Now over here, if you scroll down, you are going to see the option of contact us, or you can even ask the questions to their community. So if you click on contact us, then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see their direct contact number, which is 1800 T-Mobile, and for T-Mobile for businesses they have provided this number, so you can directly call them and an agent is going to help you in the activation of your SIM card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.